Ay, kumusta na kayo? Sabi nila, to defeat the criminals, you must first understand them. No? Magandang umaga, ladies and gentlemen. In security and law enforcement, reacting is never enough. Because the true professional anticipates before the incident happens. Today's lecture is titled Strategic Thinking Like a Criminal. No? Iisip tayo paano mag-isip isang criminal. But this does not mean becoming one. No? Hindi natin sila gagayahin. But to understand the criminal mindset to prevent crime. No? As the saying goes, to stop criminals, think like criminals. No? Thinking like the intruder. No? Imagine this question. If I were the intruder, where would I enter? A criminal does not choose the main gate, of course. Kitang-kita siya ron, no? He chose the weakest point, no? Yung pinakamahina, no? The blind spot, the unlocked door, and the poorly lit area. Careless guard, kaya pakaang-kaang, no? Sa cellphone, lalo na SOP, no? Sleeping on post. Where would I hide? A criminal looks for places where no one looks, like storage rooms, rooftops, stairwells, mga dark corridors, no? Behind parked vehicles, inside crowds. And finally, where would I escape? No? Yan ang isa sa plano ng mga iniisip ng mga kriminal because a criminal always plans 2 or 3 exit routes. No? Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa. As much as possible, marami. He knows where the CCTV coverage ends. You know? And he knows which gates are slow to open. Pinag-aaralan nila. He knows where guards rarely patrol. No? Doon, di masyado nag-iikot ang gwardiya ron. Ganong oras, tamad na yung gwardiya. This mindset is called anticipation. Anticipation prevents incidents before they happen. No? Kaya ang isang professional na guard, sabi nga nila, lagi siyang 10-step pag nag-isip. Security is not about presence alone. Security is about predicting the next move before the criminal makes it. You must see the area not as a guard, but as a potential intruder. The best security professional is not who reacts fastest, but the one who prevent the incident from ever happening. Think like a criminal, act like a professional, but protect like a guardian. This is Doc Eb Santos, munting kalaman, dagdag kalaman. Thank you, saying ingat po tayong palagi at mabuhay.